Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland in silver Xanth with active driving assist system, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 54,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7967.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.